Introducing a game changer in woodworking and manufacturing. The PATHAK Group's 4-head multi-spindle CNC router. प्रेसिशन और एफिशिएंसी को एक साथ आते हुए देखें क्योंकि ये पावर हाउस कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोजेक्ट्स को एफर्टलेसली टैकल कर सकता है। 4 independent spindles say equipped, this CNC router maximizes the productivity by carving, cutting, and engraving multiple pieces simultaneously. अब bottlenecks को goodbye कहे और say hello to streamlined workflows. Versatility is the key. This router effortlessly handles a wide array of materials, delicate wood inlays से durable metal components तक. Whether you are crafting intricate furniture or manufacturing industrial parts, this machine delivers exceptional results. Don't let complexity intimidate you. Our intuitive software and user-friendly interface make programming and operation a breeze. Even intricate designs become achievable with minimal effort. The PATHAK Group's commitment to quality shines through in every detail. From precision cuts to intricate engravings, this router consistently delivers outstanding results, elevating your craftsmanship to new heights. Contact us today to schedule a demonstration and discover how this machine can revolutionize your production process. Visit our website or call us today to learn more and explore our full range of CNC solutions. PATHAK Group, where precision meets innovation.